In a bustling city, a peculiar phenomenon puzzled residents. Every time someone hiccuped, a shadowy figure appeared in the corner of their eye. The figure, always just out of focus, seemed to whisper secrets of the universe. Scientists claimed it was a trick of the mind, but locals knew better. One night, a young woman named Ilara hiccuped, and the figure lingered longer than usual. She followed it, discovering a hidden alleyway that led to a forgotten library. Inside, she found ancient texts explaining that hiccups were messages from another realm. The figure vanished, leaving Ilara with a choice: share the secret or keep it hidden. Like, comment, and subscribe for more mysterious tales.